Welcome to Kemal Precision Mold Co. Limited, where we turn your designs into tangible prototypes using multiple rapid processes. From single samples to small batches, we deliver one-stop solutions quickly and efficiently. Explore our capabilities in depth. With CNC machining, we achieve high-precision prototypes in metals like aluminium or stainless steel, and plastics such as ABS or nylon, ideal for functional testing with tight tolerances and excellent surface finishes, perfect for parts needing strength and accuracy. 3D printing allows for rapid creation of complex geometries that traditional methods can't handle, enabling quick iterations with materials like PLA, resin, or flexible filaments. It's great for visualizing designs and testing form-fit function without tooling costs. Sheet metal fabrication involves laser cutting, bending, and welding to produce sturdy structural components and custom housings from materials like steel or aluminium, ensuring durability for enclosures in electronics or machinery prototypes. Vacuum casting replicates small batch plastic parts using silicone molds derived from master patterns, delivering production-like surfaces and details in polyurethane resins that mimic final materials. Cost-effective for 10 to 50 units with fast turnaround. Rapid tooling injection molding combines 3D printed or machined inserts for low-cost, quick molds, injecting thermoplastics to produce prototypes with performance and aesthetics close to mass-produced items, bridging the gap to full production seamlessly. Our streamlined process: upload your CAD or design files, get a free quote and feasibility feedback within 1 hour. We handle manufacturing across processes, followed by inspection, packaging, and swift delivery. See us in action across industries: automotive parts with exact tolerances, medical device enclosures for safety, consumer electronics for sleek designs, and aerospace components for durability. What makes Kemal stand out? Rapid delivery in as little as days, vast material options including plastics, metals, and composites, high accuracy with finishes near mass production quality, one-stop service to cut multi-vendor hassles, and fast, free quotes with expert responsiveness. Visit kemalmfeg.com/live today. Upload your files and secure a free quote to accelerate your product to market. Let's prototype your success with Kemal.